We are learning to use our doubles knowledge to solve problems close to a double. Let's start by reminding ourselves about our doubles knowledge. Remember, a double is when we just add the same number together twice. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Now, with this flip, we're going to be exploring how we can use our understanding of these doubles, knowing what these doubles are, to help us to work out a problem close to a double. So, for example, I know that 6 plus 6 equals 12. It's one of my doubles knowledge here that I know. So if I know that 6 plus 6 equals 12, I can use that to help me work out a question like 6 plus 7, because 6 plus 7 is very close to 6 plus 6. So if 6 plus 6 equals 12, then 6 plus 7 must equal 13, because that 7 is only one more than the 6, so my answer is going to be one more than the 12. Let's have a look at another example. If I know that 9 plus 9 equals 18, then I can use that to help me work out a problem like 8 plus 9. If 9 plus 9 equals 18, then 8 plus 9 must equal 17, because that 8 is just one less than the 9. So my answer is going to be one less than the 18. Let's look at another example. If I know that 10 plus 10 equals 20, then I can use that to work out a problem like 10 plus 9 will equal 19, because this 9 is one less than the 10, so my answer is going to be one less than the 20. Okay, I reckon you clever cookies understand that. Let's see if we can use our doubles knowledge to help us work out a subtraction question that's close to a double. Say I have this question here. 16 take away 8. Now, I know that 8 plus 8 equals 16, therefore 16 take away 8 must equal 8. So I use my doubles knowledge to work out that answer. What if my question was 16 take away 7? Now I can use my doubles knowledge to help me with this. So if I knew that 16 take away 8 equals 8, then 16 take away 7 must equal 9, because here I am taking away one less, so my answer is going to be one more, because it's subtraction. Let's have another look at another subtraction one to help us to work out a problem close to a double. If my question was 20 take away 10, then I can use my doubles knowledge of 10 plus 10 equals 20 to work out that. So 20 take away 10 must equal 10. If my problem was 20 take away 8, I can use my doubles knowledge to help me with that. If 20 take away 10 equals 10, then 20 take away 8 must equal 12, because that 10 and the 8, the difference between those two is 2. I'm taking away 2 less here. Therefore, my answer must be 2 more because it's subtraction. Okay, let's look at one more example of how our doubles knowledge can help us work out subtraction questions close to a double. If I know that 18 take away 9 equals 9, because I'm using my doubles knowledge of 9 plus 9 equals 18, then I can use that knowledge to help me work out a question like 18 take away 7. Now my 7 is too different to my 9, so therefore my answer is going to be 2 more than what it was before because it's a subtraction question. So 9 plus 9 equals 18, therefore 18 take away 9 must equal 9, and I can use that to work out 18 take away 7 must equal 11. Today you're going to use your doubles knowledge to help you work out addition and subtraction questions that are close to a double.